Are you sure you're not just gonna swim away? I know how much you love those mermaid stories. I know if that chance came, you'd probably choose them over me. Hey, you're not supposed to agree. Oh, fine, fine. Leave me for the merfolk. I see how it is. I'm just really glad that the wind died down. I was really worried that it would have been way too cold for a beach trip, but we lucked out. What? The merfolk calling you? Nah, I'm pretty cozy here. You go on ahead. Besides, if I'm gonna lose you to them, I'd rather not see it happen right in front of me. Go on. I'll be fine. It's really good that we got a chance to come here. Work has been so crazy for them. We still need a proper vacation, but the day trip will have to do for us now. Unless they decide to leave me to chase after mermaids. Oh, that was really fast. Merfolk didn't show up? Hey, you okay? You look a little pale. Really? Well, I guess with the weather, the water might be cold. Sweetheart. Hey, look at me. Are you okay? Easy, easy. Sit down. What is it? Your lungs are tight? Damn. It's probably because of the water. I'm here. I've got you. Breathe with me, okay? I know. You gotta try. Deep breath. Shit. You're wheezing pretty badly. No, it's fine. It's gonna be fine. Okay? I'm gonna go get your inhaler. Here. Okay. Take one puff. Okay? Okay. Breathe. Better? No? Alright. Let's try one more puff. How's that? Okay. Alright, I'm gonna need to call the ambulance. Okay? I know. But, sweetheart, your inhaler isn't working and you can't breathe. I think we need some backup. Right? Hi, I'm at the Cosmos Beach and my partner's having an asthma attack. No, her inhaler isn't working. Okay. Hey, sweetheart, they're gonna be here. They're only 5 minutes away. Who needs the beach, right? Easy. Don't panic now, okay? Help is gonna be here. It's all gonna be okay. I'm here. Here. Let's get you warmed up a little bit. Deep, slow breath, sweetheart. I know. But it's gonna pass. It always passes. Here they are. Yeah, I can see them. They're stopping. Yeah, I'm their boyfriend. They got in the water and it was too cold. It's been a few minutes since the attack started. Easy, baby. Just let them help you. Right. Okay. I can pick them up. It's okay. Just gonna put you in the ambulance so they can help you. Baby, they're just gonna look at you. Don't panic. It's gonna be fine. See? They're just getting the nebulizer. Gonna get you all fixed up. I promise. See? There you go. You're breathing better already. I wasn't worried. Okay, maybe a bit. It's been a while since you had a bad one. But, see? Look, you're doing so much better. They're not gonna need the hospital, are they? Oh, okay. Yeah, that's what I thought. See? You're okay. Just rest and breathe. I'm right here, baby. Yeah. Well, next time we'll go somewhere else. Shut up. I love you too, baby. Now, relax.